So here we have the Ford Focus on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And then above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 28,620. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change that information for various bits of individual trip computer info, or if you wish to, you can have these 4 pieces of information displayed simultaneously, and then we're back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo and phone controls over on the right hand side of the steering wheel. You'll only be able to use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done on the touchscreen in the center just here. Hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to audio in this car, we have a number of ways we can listen to our music. AM, FM and DAB radio, as you can see. We have a CD player. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. And this car's got USB input as well, so you can plug devices into either of the 2 USB inputs, and they will appear up here as further options for you. Back out to the home screen. This is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then we've got the satellite navigation just here. Lovely clear colour display. We've done a full video showing how this works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo just there, and then air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then when you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on when that light shows. Same button will turn it off again, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here, and you can turn that off whenever you wish with a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Underneath that, one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned, a 12-volt charging socket. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows, and then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.